In this video, we will show you how to perform a deep system reset on your homatics device. If your device ever encounters a small issue or does not work as expected, this reset can quickly and easily solve the problem. It is a practical feature that can help you avoid unnecessary service or warranty claims. All you need is your homatics device and a thin object, for example, a paper clip. First, disconnect the device from the power supply. Insert the paper clip into the reset hole until you feel a gentle click of the button. Then, keep the button pressed. While holding the button, reconnect the device to the power supply. After a few moments, a message will appear on your TV screen. Now, release the button and press it once again briefly. This will open the recovery menu. In the recovery menu, you can move through the options by briefly pressing the reset button with the paper clip. Confirm your selection by holding the same button for a longer time. Select Factory Data Reset and confirm it. In the next window, confirm Factory Data Reset once again. After the reset is complete, you will return to the main menu. Select the first option, Reboot System Now, and confirm it. The entire process takes only a few minutes. After restarting, your device will work without any previous settings, just like when it was turned on for the first time. If you need any help or have questions, we are always happy to assist you. Please